If you're looking for some powerful and versatile work lights, you're in the right place. Gadget Junkie here. In this video, I'm featuring this 2-pack of mechanic work lights that were sent over to me to showcase for you guys. I am the son of a mechanic. I grew up working on cars, and I do know how important it is to have some light in the dark places around a car. So these here are LED lights, 2400 lumens. You got a real big LED array here for illuminating a large area. Super easy to use. You got one button operation. Basically, this button here turns the light on. You got high, low, and then you got this emergency flasher here. So if you have this in the trunk and you're in an emergency, you can use that as an emergency flasher. But the head of it swivels 350 degrees, and it also tilts. It's about 180 degrees. And then you've got a magnetic base as well as a clamp. This here basically will open up the full distance of this thread here, and then you can clamp this down. So if you need to use this here on like the hood of your car, if you want to put this on a table or a ledge of some sort, you can clamp this to a ledge and use it that way. It's rechargeable. They do provide you with a couple of cables here to recharge each one. It's a USB-C cable. You probably got a bunch of these laying around just like I do. You know, you can attach these together very easily like so. And then you've got basically a large panel that you can put on a magnetic surface like so and illuminate a pretty large area. So very versatile lights here, guys. You know, if you're again, if you're a mechanic and you need to, you know, light up the engine bay of a car that you're working on or light up a wheel well, these here will definitely get the job done for you. So there you have it, guys. Hope this helps.